Hi everyone, we're going to make a pair of earrings today, and I haven't made any in a while, so I'm a little rusty. I hope I don't break these beads. So we're going to go through this bead. Golly, sound like somebody shot off in the backyard somewhere nearby. Just as soon as I started this video, I heard it. I'm going to go like that. Trying to get it a little bit tighter. But I swear I heard something sound like it blew up. I don't know if this will work or not, but we're going to try it. Because I don't have any thin wire to do the little wrap around it unless I do it in copper, and I don't think that'll look good. So we're going to go like that. And then we're going to make a little loop. And if this don't look good, we'll do something else. But I've got some that the hole goes straight up through it somewhere, but I don't think I have blue. I like these. And since these are not load-bearing, basically, that they're not going to get pulled on much, I don't have to worry about them. I just have to get them wrapped where they'll stay together. Oops, I dropped it. So basically what I did, and this is square wire, so I don't have much silver left. Basically what I did was wrap it around once, completely. I hope this is long enough. I found it laying on the table. That's what made me think, let's just use that. But just as soon as I started the video, boom, and I'm like, golly, what was that? We've got coyotes here, so maybe they had a coyote or something. I've been writing children's books, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, so I've got them listed in the description if you want to check it out. And I've been making t-shirts. And other stuff. I don't know what all I've been doing. It all began to run together. I hope y'all have been doing well. Oh, there. See, that's what it's going to look like with the one wrap around it. Just enough to hold it. And then we're going to do the same with this one. Just enough to hold it. So it don't pull out. About cut it close on that one. But I found that wire laying on the table. And I thought, well, I've already got one wire. So they're about the same. Alright, now, let's hook them onto here first. Because I have found, and you just twist it open, I have found that if I hook it on there first, I don't have issues as I go along. So we're going to hook it on, you just twist it back and make sure it hits that wire. And we'll do the other one. Alright, so we've got them on there. And I thought I had some other colors, but I can't find but a few different colors, and I thought I had more of a big assortment of colors. So maybe I just looked at it and was going to buy it and didn't. I missed something. I did that earlier on a bracelet. These are going to be long danglies. It's just something simple you can make. And if you had thinner wire, like 24 gauge, it would look better. This is like 20 gauge on your dangle, if you had to do it that way. See, I think we have some that have the hole in the bottom, and you just put a ball pin in it, like, say like this. Like that. And you just do a little wrap at the top. So, but here we go with this. And it's not really stiff wire, so I am going to wrap it around. I mean, it's stiff enough, but I don't think it's stiff enough that if you get your hair caught in it, I think you'd be pulling the earring apart. And that's what I think about whenever I'm wrapping them. Whether I think the wire is stiff enough, and I do have some ear wires that is stainless steel, so and those I use my memory wire cutters on. trying to talk my sister into doing a podcast with me. But she lives halfway across the state. We'd have to do it long distance, which I know a lot of people do. But I don't know. Her schedule is about as hectic as mine is. I don't think I ever stop. I've been learning how to do the t-shirts, and that I enjoy that. So, and I was messing around with them before I went to bed last night, and I dreamt about making t-shirts. And I told myself, I think you've made a few too many, so you need to take a break and do something else. This one opens, you see how it opens? Most of them open like this, either on the front or on the back. And I'm not used to having them open like that. So I want to get them used up, because I'm used to the other type. Yeah, I am used to the other type because I can't figure out how to put them on. I usually put the wrap on the same way. Alright, those are long danglies. That'd be like prom or something. There we go. Well, yeah, there we go. Long danglies. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe and hype my videos if you can. And if you get a chance, check out the description. I've got a lot of stuff down there. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.